Let us see engineering graphics and design. Learn easy with the AutoCAD software. This simple drawing how to do in the AutoCAD. Week 1, third exercise. In this simple model, how to do in the AutoCAD, I explain now. Go to AutoCAD. So before that, do the basic setting, unit and limits. It is very important. Precision 0 and scale is millimeter. You have to select. Give OK. Next, limits. Set drawing limits. Lower left corner 0, 0. Enter. And upper right corner 21, 297. Enter. Next commands, zoom, enter. And click all. Set all. In this drawing, how to do in the AutoCAD. See here. This in this circle here to here, the center is 150 mm. Center to here 150 mm. Okay. So take line command first. Draw 150. Enter. Here to again 150. Enter. In this drawing, the first circle diameter is 80 mm. Inner diameter is, the outer diameter is 80 mm. And inner circle is 50 mm. So to take diameter of circle from here to big one 80 diameter. Enter. Next small one, it is concentric circle, so same center we have to do 50 mm. And 80. Next it is center. This center circle is, see here, 120 mm one line and 100 mm. From this center, take diameter of circle, this center 120. Enter. And one more circle 100 mm. 100. Enter. 120 diameter and 100 diameter, two circles. And see here, one more bigger, this radius 150 mm. So this same center, take circle command from here to draw 150 mm. Enter. Okay. Then see here, this same two circle 80 mm into two circles and 50 diameter two circle, right side also we need to draw. So no need to draw any again. You just copy or mirror it other side. So go to mirror command, select the object, both circle you got select, press enter from here to here. Next erase the source object. No, we need the circle, so put no, enter. Next See here radius 100 will fill it there. This go to circle command. See here tan radius. You got to select tan radius. It is important. Tan this line to this line 100 enter. Okay. Again tan radius here to here. Select 100 enter. So next even unwanted this curve only we need other portion no need go to trim. The modify command select trim till legs. This circle need a yes, again undo this trim just enter this line no need this line no need next here also same go to mirror select the curve press enter to here enter. Now see the shape here no need line here no line. Go to trim this line you have delete this line you have delete press enter. Now go to annotate it is center mark it is circle diameter so you have to select center mark put here press enter. Next you have the proper dimensions all the dimension you have to give linear here 150. Next are the circle diameter dimensions give select diameter of circle drag it outside. This side no need is same circle any one side give the dimensions diameter of circle and give the this radius press enter. Okay, almost all the dimension we are giving. Okay, thank you.